Alicia.
Ugly
Ugly Alicia. Alicia.
Yeah, it's all going there. Mommy, if it's all going there, yeah, what if you back home? So if you
that dirty nanny.
Go on, sorry. Junior, you miss me? You miss me?
Nancy, why you have two blue phone?
This is a camera.
And
That's my phone. No.
blue phone.
No. See? Oops. With a mouth smell like Aki. I swear. Which one for Aki? This one?
No.
This one?
No.
Yeah, like if you don't dream me. I said no.
Away in Berry.
Down by my dad.
Okay.
And I was there when I first came. He was like, he don't dream you yet. I said, no. He probably just watching me. Nothing to me. Because I know he know that I'm there. I'm here. So. When it first happened. Yeah, what?
come on, God, dead end, you're so serious.
No, sir. Until you're hungry. I'm most hungry, you're hungry. Your brain not getting oxygen.
But you remember the other Christmas, so we don't the place and
Yeah.
open the house.
You almost get you confused.
No, but a long time ago, so today. Yes, no. We look at the house there.
So what's that make you move so?
No, I saw me looking at the man, no saying grow so big. My girl, stop it, man.
What me I do? Get used to it, you know? Because this vacation, I'm videoing everything.
Confusing and distracting.
Then don't watch me. Watch
Yeah,
yourself.
watch you. May I watch your road?
Yes. Road code.
I need a vacation, I swear.
Oh, well, you need an early one, and then we're going to do the family one. And this can't stay.
Come on, drive up. Time ago. Kids.
You nervous, kid?
Why? Me not know. You know, we can't bother with that. We just go and try it on and I like so we are going to Nassau, Bahamas.
Yeah, man, that's that.
Come on, drive up. Watch it fool them. Seriously?
Yeah, boss man, them are going
Live that back.
From the Mellow FM Weather Center, this is meteorologist Scary Guest. Here's our latest tropical weather update. Of course, the main weather feature continues to be tropical storm Fiona over 1,200 miles west of the Cape Verde Islands, moving off to the northwest. This storm system will probably weaken somewhat over the upcoming weekend as it moves towards northwestern states in the central Atlantic Ocean. There is a tropical wave near Jamaica now around 76 degrees west, moving off in 62 degrees west, moving just south of the Virgin Islands this weekend. Tropical wave out near 31 west. This one bears watching as it may develop over the next.
Buy two and you want to watch them like TV or something.
From one night here. All this now on this scam board. From one night to the night here.
United Sales. We specialize in catering to the customer's needs.
Kill a kid. No kill.
No, that's sin. And say, Mama did then I'm straight to the shower.
Eh?
She must be a shop.
Oh.
Mama.
Yeah, man, you saying got market yesterday? I forgot to take out the food too. Aye. Yeah?
Okay.
Who there?
Scammer them there.
Grandma?
Me a tell you say the shell of them there.
Tiana! Nobody not there.
Plus couple front sell a gal there. Here.
Shari. No, where everybody there? I don't know if you guys can see, but down here, like down there, so my brother was buried. Yeah, down there, so my brother was buried. Okay, steady. Tiana, where thing that there? Or grandma? You have a key? Sure. Send it all speed, please. Yeah. I'm not seeing food around there. No. No food in there. Go a bed. Who that? O'Neil!
Only that about your man girl. I saw like a babbit.
Alright, Babette.
So like I said, our girlfriend. Yeah, man.
About that with the foolishness now, you know.
Then, puppy dead.
Ain't that?
So. That's a move dog.
Dead puppy. Everybody what? Oh, they fi kill the puppy. I left him out here. And son near him. Me at. Yeah, why not? Half a bird them here. I feel like I did it bird them. Oh, them here you call fantail bird. You see? See? Look. Yeah, my dad normally collects them. That's one of my dad's. Next one. And I don't know where the other one is. Alright, thank you. I don't know. Why am I gonna stamp this not banana one? But you get it? Get it full? No, you say Abby. Oh, that's full. Me? I told me supposed to go. I never got town. Spanish town. I got yesterday. No? I'm supposed to go town, go get the pole. I never got town. So then see that, take up. Yeah, we go to make handstand, yeah, me. Something to do. Think I wanna go. Actually not open. Maybe check phone passport at all time, you know.
Go on.
Cause me stuck. Mary Boju. Butu.
Me I go there, so me care about.